Hello, Avid, and welcome to another week. And so, this week, we're really focusing on mastering the things that we've done. And then next week, we'll hop into some projects and really expand on the stuff that we're doing. And so, what you'll be seeing is that we have our synchronous session, note check, tutorial, agenda check, pretty normal, pretty routine. The tutorial, I have had a lot of questions about the tutorial over this past week, and while I've answered them all, what I really want to be able to do is to help us master the tutorial process this week, really get a firm understanding and a firm grasp and a level of comfort with the tutorial process so we can move forward and really use it as a tool. And so, the tutorial, I will be focusing on working with the tutorial on Thursday during our live session. And so, come to the live session. You don't have to post anything in the tutorial right now. We'll make it happen, we'll make it work, and we'll really knock it out of the ballpark. As usual, or at least as the routines provided a great opportunity for, post your notes before Thursday's live session because that's when I'll be able to assign the peer grading. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for your time and your effort. You have been doing a great job so far these past weeks, and I have full confidence that's going to continue. Remote learning is especially hard, and AVID does add that layer of extra work to your other classes, but as we do better at it, as we practice it, it will become easier, and you guys will be awesome learners as this goes on. Thank you. I'm looking forward to working with you guys this week.